Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grilling. I'm Chris, and today we are going to make some smoked Arctic Char. We'll use the amazing pellet smoker, and we'll see how that turns out, so stay tuned. The first step in smoking any kind of fish, doing any kind of cold smoking, is getting the cure prepared. So right here I have 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of kosher salt, then I've got half a tablespoon of black pepper and half a tablespoon of red pepper flakes. So I'm going to add a little bit more flavor to this than compared to when I did the salmon. Next, I will mix this all up and then coat the bottom of this dish here, and then we'll get the fish set away. I've got the cure coating the bottom of the glass dish here. Next, we'll grab our fish, and we're going to slap that down into the glass dish, just like so. And then finish off by pouring the rest of the cure over top and making sure we get the entire thing covered. There we go. Can't even tell it's in there. Gonna put some plastic wrap on this, and we'll put it in the fridge, and we'll leave it overnight and get back to it in the morning. The fish has cured overnight. So we're going to pull her out of here. Oh, it has definitely taken on the texture that we expected. That is perfect. It's gotten kind of tough and leathery, which is exactly how you want the fish to look. Next step, we'll get it all rinsed off, and make sure you rinse it off really good. Last time I did this, I didn't rinse it off that well, and the thinner parts of the fish ended up really salty. So make sure you give it a good rinse. And I've got the pellets already warming up outside on the Weber kettle. We'll just get this cleaned up and get her out there. We got smoke, so it is time to get this fish on. We are just gonna put it right here, just like that. So you can see I washed it off pretty good. It's got a little bit on it yet, but that's not too bad. Put the lid down, and we'll put the vents pretty much right over top of the fish so that the smoke just comes right across. And this is gonna go for about 6 hours. And I don't know, it should be good. We'll check back in a little bit. So I've had a little bit of trouble with the pellets and keeping them lit. I actually dumped out all the pellets that I had in there initially and went with a different brand. And these, as you can see, are working much, much better. I had to relight the other ones 2 or 3 times. And it was just frustrating because this has been going for about 4 hours. And you can see it doesn't look like much has happened. And that's because I've had to restart the pellets a bunch of times. But it looks like these are going good now, so hopefully not too much longer. The fish is done. You can see on the pellet tray there, we got about 5 hours of smoke out of that. But it stopped on its own because we just had a huge downpour, and that kind of took care of anything that was going on under the kettle here. So we're gonna call this one done. We will take it inside, let it sit for a little bit, and we will give it a try. And here is the Arctic Char, all done, ready to be eaten. So I've cut off a little chunk right there. Let's give that a try. That's not bad. It's salty. So I think I went a little too heavy with the cure. But not bad. It's got a good flavor to it. I don't think I've ever had Arctic Char before, either smoked or cooked, so I really didn't know what to expect. It's fishier than salmon, but still really good. I mean, I like fish, so. Yeah, not too bad at all. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate you stopping by. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. share it with your friends, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and the bell as well so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.